Say cheese! Already been hit. All right, let's get this tour going. Welcome to Tokyo. That's about it. I have no idea where we are because Shane's the navigator, remember? All right, it's telling us single file and indicators on. We're going left. How cool. This is good. Not sure how we're going to go with this, but we'll have a bit of fun. Here we go. But it's a bit of a different way to have a look around Tokyo. So here we go again. I kind of feel like we're not going to go very fast. With 37 million people, you can't expect to get very fast, especially with all the traffic. And it's now, we've chosen to do this at peak time. And we're going to go through the Shibuya Crossing, which gets over 3,000 people go through it. And one go. That's close. There's an inch there, let's get a bit closer. There we go.
Welcome to the streets of Shibuya. Let me see your hands up, guys, hands up. There we go, perfect, guys. All right, everyone give me some bass. Perfect, guys. Everyone doing okay in the cart so far?
Yep. Oh, we do have a speedo. Look. Konnichiwa. Kind of can't believe I'm driving around the streets of Tokyo. It's a bit ridiculous, especially in a go-kart. I think that's the thing with the Japanese people, they're very quiet. I believe this is the scramble crossing.
Go back to
So here we go. Oh. Spin around. This is great fun. Whoop, turn the indicator off. Nice. Oh, Porsche turbo. Nice. Come on. Oh, we're going to beat the Porsche. Come on, Porsche. Left-hand drive too. Nissan. I've seen him a heap of times today. All right. Let's go. Oh, London bus. Look, London bus. Painted white. Phone box. There's the Disney store. That's the tour and a half. How you doing? Hey. All right. I think we need to get these people waving. Come on. Ah, konnichiwa. Hey, konnichiwa. See, they're very quiet here. Ah.
Everyone's still doing good.
They're good.
Everyone give me a big thumbs up, guys. Perfect, guys, perfect.
So that's better. Like and subscribe, that would be what would be better. How you doing? All right, let's go. Yeah, I'm choking. Tesla would love that. Oh, Lexus. Hey, how you doing, brother? Oh, I got my foot flat in the gas. We're going nowhere. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Starbucks is just here on the right. Whoop, indicator. Oh, brake. I gotta say, the brakes are a bit spongy. I mean, where do you get a tour like this? Where I have no idea where we are, where we're going, and I'm trying to explain it to you. but it's all really just a bit of fun. Whoop. Okay, I'll spin it back around. Traveller mode. All right, here we go. Hey, put your indicator on, Scotty. Okay. Oh, they're popular. How you doing?
Perfect. All right, guys, we just let Shibuya. Can you guys point up? I'm going to Shibuya right behind you. Point up a little bit. Perfect, guys. Perfect. And guys, to your right side here is Harajuku. There's the Harajuku all along your right side once you get going here, okay? Over there, straight in front of us, is Yoyogi Park, a big famous park here in Tokyo, okay? You'll see that a little bit on your left side once we get going.
Well, we went down to Harajuku. Now we are. Did we? Oh, mate, I'm so shit at navigation. Is that right? Ah, we've already been here. One tour. There's the wheels. Some brakes. Accelerator. Oh, no, sorry. Oh, get it right. Brake. Accelerator. Here's our indicators. Go, 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 Scotty. Gas it. It's actually pretty easy to drive around once you get hold of it. It's no big issue. If you don't know, I'm meant to be Elmo. Well, there's two Elmos. And a Tigger and Cookie Monster. What do you reckon? Am I going to beat the Ferrari?
All right, we're going to make our way back to the crossing now, guys, for our second time. Okay, I'll try and get us right up front again.
All right, got it. I kind of reckon we're a little bit no rules, just change lanes and go. Ah, really? Oh, look at that. Undertaking. Advertising. All right, if you want to go shopping for Nike, it's just here. Nike outlet. Oh, I don't reckon the camera's going to get it. But it's fuckaras. And I said that deliberately a bit odd. It's Fukuras is the building in the foreground, up high. Yeah. I guess in Japan that's means something. Okay. See if we can get Michelle. There's Michelle. Yeah. You know, if you actually don't like this, then don't worry about it. Singing. The fumes from the carts, because they're two strokes, a bit full on, but doesn't matter. It's part of the fun. Oh, look at the big signboard there. Here we go. Whoa. All right, pay attention, Scotty. I think this is the crossing. So have a look. Here is everybody. Konnichiwa! They're so peaceful here. Oh, go, go, go! The accelerator, it has one, mate. Nothing or all you've got. You're stopping the bus from getting through. Move over. See if I can drive like this.
We're gonna go underneath the Shibuya station now, guys. One of the bigger stations here in Tokyo.
What he said. The biggest stations in Tokyo. Train station, he means. I think it's 9 train tracks. or 9 lines if you want to call it that. So it's a few trains. I think 3.5 million people use their trains here each day. So that's a lot of people on train rides. And that's just in Tokyo. So their population in Tokyo is roughly 37 million people. So cheers! Uh-oh.
Where is it?
We can hear it, but we can't see it. Is it an ice cream truck or an ambulance? Hey. And as quick as that, it's gone. We didn't even get to see it. Oh, behind us. Haha. There you go, you don't get that every day, the ambulance. So at night everything looks so much better. I mean, it's all lit up, it's pretty cool. And there's that people thing. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's so many people. Look, Starbucks. And this is the crossing yet again. Ooh. Taxi driver's got her gloves on. Lots of those advertising trucks here driving around as well. That's just Japan, so much bigger. Oh, another advertising truck. I'm sure it will not be the last. You want to look at the big screens closer? Maybe we'll do that after, eh? So I said before, this crossing supposedly gets about 3,000 people at any one time try and cross in a single crossing, which is just crazy. You won't get that back home. Konnichiwa. Look at that, the old Toyota Crowns. I think they made them in the like mid-80s and there's still thousands of them here. I mean, they must be making them still or something because they look in mint condition. Go, 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 Scotty! Whoop, indicators off. Police bike? I reckon it is. Oh. I'm spinning the wheels. Whoop, dropped your string. Oh. There we go. Nice little laneway. Oh, DJ. Whoop, on the road. And the indicator off. Oh. I think we're almost back. We are back. There you go, that's it. That was pretty good fun. Something different. I can say I've never done it before. And to actually go say we've done this in the streets of Tokyo, in Japan, that's insane. All right, that's it. We're done.